In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Help Center in Zendesk Simple Branding, no code required. We're giving your Help Center a quick, professional makeover using the built-in tools in the standard Copenhagen theme, no coding needed. This approach is perfect if you want a clean, on-brand look fast, while keeping everything easy to adjust later. Start in your guide admin. Look for the Customize Design icon, the little I, and click it. You'll see your available themes. Find the Copenhagen theme you're using and select Customize. This opens the visual editor where changes appear as you make them, so you can confidently tune the look without worrying about code. Begin with colors and fonts. In the Colors panel, set your brand's primary color, link color, and text and background colors. Keep readability front and center. Make sure body text stands out clearly against the background and that links are easy to identify. A simple palette of 2 or 3 brand colors usually feels modern and cohesive. Then move to fonts. Choose from the built-in web fonts for headings and body text. Pick a clean, legible pair and stay consistent. Sans serif fonts often read well on screens, and using one font for headings and another for body can add just the right amount of hierarchy without visual clutter. Next, update your images. Upload your logo. 200 by 50 pixels is the recommended size so it appears crisp without overwhelming the header. A transparent PNG often looks best on varied backgrounds. Add a favicon so your Help Center tab is recognizable in the browser. A small square version of your logo works well here. Finally, choose a hero image for the homepage background. Go for something subtle that supports your brand. Think soft gradients, gentle textures, or light photography, so the search bar and text remain easy to read. Optimize the image so it loads quickly and avoid heavy overlays or busy patterns that compete with content. To refine the layout, open the homepage element settings. Here you can toggle sections like recent activity and community on or off. If you're not actively using the community, hide it to reduce distractions. If you want a streamlined landing page focused on search and key categories, consider turning off recent activity as well. These switches help you control the focus and keep the experience simple for visitors. That's it. With the Copenhagen theme's built-in settings, customize, colors and fonts, images, and homepage elements, you can align your Help Center with your brand in just a few minutes, cleanly and confidently, without touching code.